In this guide, I'm going to show you how to copy and steal emblems glitch here in Black Ops 2. This is for PS4 and PS5. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this glitch is going to work better with a slower internet connection. Yes, it is like the only time having a slow internet connection really does help you out. But if you have Ethernet hooked up, go ahead and unplug it, use Wi-Fi, maybe use a mobile hotspot, maybe stream a high quality video on another device, or even just download a game on your PlayStation to reduce your connection speed. And what you need to go ahead and do now is go into multiplayer, go online, right? And then you're going to want to select triangle to open up friends, and you could tab over to recent players and find whatever it is that you're trying to copy. Let's just go and say we're trying to do this one, right? For the sake of this video. When you open up their profile, right, and you select them, what you need to do is then scroll down and select player channel. I'm going to demonstrate this very slowly, but you do need to do this very quickly. You're going to want to open up player channel, and before the emblem even loads, as you can see, there's like that little break before the emblem loads. I'll show you with another person real quickly. For example, like as you can see, there's a little break before the emblem would normally load. As soon as you open up the player channel, you're going to wait like maybe 1 second max. And then what you need to do is hit circle to return to this screen, and then go down into brackets, open it up, and then open it up again, and it's going to put the emblem on your player card. This probably will not work the first attempt that you do this, and you do have to be quick about it. I recommend starting on custom games, so you only have to go down twice. But one more time to demonstrate this slowly, open it up, go to recent players, find whatever one it is. Let's say this one for the sake of this time. Select it, scroll down to player channel, open it up, back out, circle down X, and then it'll place it on here. Good luck, guys. Have fun. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.